Hello, in this video I'll show you how to generate 10 random email numbers for your HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro. So to do this, first find your email in your settings of your phone, and it will be in the About Phone section on the bottom. And here find the IMEI.info website, and here paste your email, and you will get some basic info about your HUAWEI, and also you'll be able to, as you can see, random email generator. So just let's press that and generate random email, and as you can see it generated 10 emails that could be the emails of this device. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.